Most Wanted
with Abhijit.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल और स्वागत है आप सभी का राइट हियर इनटू रेडियो फॉर्स मोस्ट वांटेड। आप अभिजीत के साथ हम गोना बी कीपिंग यू कंपनी टिल 9। और जैसे कि मैं कह रहा था कि बहुत सारी प्राइजेस आपकी हो सकती है ऑन द शो। तो सबसे पहले मैं बता दूं कि 2 लोग जो हैं शॉपिंग वाउचर्स लेके जाएंगे इस घंटे। उसके अलावा द बैंक रीलोडेड टूर के 4 गोल्ड पासेस आपके होंगे। उसके अलावा पैन होम की ओर से 4 ओपन मूवी टिकट्स आपकी होने वाली है। TCL की ओर से 75 इंच का टीवी भी आपका होगा। लेकिन before all of that, I have a very dear friend of mine in the studios. I've known him for more than 20 years now, and it's a pleasure for me to have him in the studios for the very first time. None other than Mr. Ravi Punjabi. Now, आपने शो पे जो है जीजू की ओर से 500 दिरहम्स का क्रेडिट बहुत सारे लोगों ने जीता, and it is all courtesy of Ravi Punjabi and Zizou. ताली बनती है मेरी जान। So it's a Thursday evening and I know Thursday से पार्टियां जो है वो शुरू हो जाती है। So if we are heading to a big party this weekend, don't stress about how to come home after, because we all know you want to party in an amazing style. और उसके बाद ड्राइवर की टेंशन जो है आपको लेनी नहीं है। And with Zizou, you can book a personal chauffeur to drive you home in your car for just 1 dirham per minute. Zizou even offers valet services for private parties as well. So download the Zizou app now. That is ZEIZZU, yeah, ZEIZZU. Your ride, your way. Mr. Ravi Punjabi, welcome on to the show. How are you doing, brother?
Good evening, listeners. Amazing as always. Energy जो आप लाते हो भाई, क्या बोलूं मैं आपको. Seriously, I mean, like you said, 20 years. We've been partying 20 years together.
Absolutely.
And we've seen life up and down together in many ways.
Absolutely.
दोस्त, क्या बोलूं आपको मैं. It's a pleasure. आपने इधर invite किया मेरे को इधर बात करने के लिए इनसे listeners के साथ. And yeah, let's take it Zizou all the way.
Absolutely. So talking about Zizou, my first question to you is, how did the idea come into place? You know,
I have a very close partner of mine who used to work for a competition of Zizou. And he was not happy, and you know, he went through a lot of turmoil because of whatever. Then I actually took those services once, and I was driving back home with the driver, with Nasir Bhai, he's my partner, and he was talking to me, and he was saying, you know, he knew about my transport company, the Avalon Transport Company. So he immediately said, Ravi bhai, ये business कुछ अलग ही है. अगर आप देखो, आप इसमें घुसेंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा लोगों के लिए भी. And you are already have 450 drivers in Avalon Transport.
Wow.
इसमें अभी आप अगर लेंगे तो you know 50-60 families also will be under your banner, because you will be employing so many people. And I really love the concept because I used the services, and with all the problems he was talking about, I thought I will be able to manage a better company and doing things in a different way. And that's how the concept of Zizou started. And to be very honest, it's only 11 months old. Our first rollout was in Jan.
wow.
We started developing everything from mid of last year. It took us time, and we had our failures in whichever way, the application, the structure, everything. But we came across, and the stronger one always wins, and that's what has happened to us. We've come across now, and we employ 75 drivers
Wow.
for Dubai region, and we are looking to grow.
And like they say, here you are today. We
There
are
you
having
go.
an interview about the company as well. So talking about Zizou services, you know, drivers तो है ही हैं, that will come pick you up from wherever you are. Chauffeurs भी हैं, valet service भी है. But एक बहुत अच्छी चीज जो है मैंने सुनी थी Zizou की, और बहुत सारे लोग जो सुन रहे होंगे आपको ये नहीं पता होगी, बट मैं रवि से ये पूछना चाहूंगा, तो वो जब बताएंगे तो बहुत जो है वो अच्छा लगेगा. We all remember the rains that came pouring down on us in April. And sir, your drivers have done a phenomenal job, and I think, you know what, the listeners should know about it as well, because salute to all the drivers who worked so hard during a time. और ये ज्यादा बात जो है वो हम बोलते नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऐसी चीज होती नहीं है, but that was one of those times when the UAE actually was in a little bit of a turmoil, and your drivers helped so many people. So I would want you to share that story with everyone.
Abhi, it is, you know, it still touches everybody's heart from the staff of Zizou, and whenever this topic comes up, everybody's shoulders come up in pride, because the things the staff did, and it's not me, it's the staff, it's Nasir Bhai who handled the whole situation at that time. We got a call from a 82-year-old lady. She was stuck on Sheikh Zayed Road with her driver, and she needed help. So she just had heard about Zizou, and she called. And lucky, our office is right there. So I had two drivers. Nasir Bhai was there. He waded through the water, went to the car, picked up the lady with her own hands, crossed the barrier to the opposite side of Sheikh Zayed Road. We had our other Zizou pick and drop car, which is there for the drivers. We had that kept available. We had a driver there. Nasir Bhai made sure that she's comfortable in the car, and we took her home. How we managed to take her home? Through the back streets of Dubai. We did it. And we then came back and rescued the driver as well.
Wow.
So then Nasir Bhai realized that, you know what, it's time to give to the community. So we just woke all drivers up from their sleep. Everybody get on duty, go and help whoever needs help.
Wow.
Please do not talk about money. Do not say anything. Just do whatever is needed and help order. We had drivers working 48 hours continuously.
Wow.
But we did some good thing, and the Dubai government has recognized us.
Wow.
Nasir Bhai has been in the news, he's been in the newspapers, and eventually they're going to give him an award as well.
Wow, that is amazing. Taali banti hai Zizou ke liye. That's ZEIZZU. Download this app, ladies and gentlemen. And you know, इतना ही सीमित नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक पर्सनल शोफर या एक ड्राइवर या वैली सर्विसेज है. बहुत सारी चीजें जो है आगे आने भी वाली है. उस पर हम टच बेस जो है वो भी करने वाले हैं. तो उस पर टच बेस अभी थोड़ा सा हो ही गया है, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो कर ही लेते हैं.
No problem.
So apart from Zizou, there's something that I have heard that's coming up.
आप अभी थर्सडे का बात कर रहे थे कि पार्टी सेशन चालू है.
बिल्कुल.
So everybody is in this mindset that the chauffeur service is only for parties, for after party and stuff like that. No. You won't believe it. We've got a lot of verticals in Zizou, which has been, and we have seen success in that. School children, pick and drop. Look, today you have so many working parents in this country.
True.
And it's not easy to give them time for the kids to be picked and dropped at school. They want the comfort of their own car to drop their children, because school bus ka whatever traffic problem hai, time problem hai, they're talking about 60 minutes to 90 minutes. Some kids are sitting sometimes and stuff like that. So parents want now that the kids go, which will take 20-25 minutes and things. So Zizou has played a big role in that.
Wow.
We've been picking children from their house, dropping them in their own car, picking them back from school. If the nanny wants to come along, nanny is welcome. After school services, kids going for swimming, kids going for tennis, whatever drama, after school activities, again going back in their own car. So now what has happened is, one of the mothers told us that thank God I've got Zizou to take my kid back and forth. My kid can now come home, have a bite, and then go back to school. Otherwise they were sitting in school only that 1 hour extra because the travel was a problem. At least they get half an hour to come back home, change, get freshened up, eat a sandwich, go back.
Absolutely. And
so, that has taken off to a different level. The people are very happy, the customers are very happy, and we are looking to elaborate and take that further.
Absolutely. तो ये सुनने वालों को भी मैं ये अगेन कहना चाहूंगा कि सिर्फ पर्सनल शोफर या आफ्टर पार्टी या ये वाली चीजें नहीं है. You can use them for your school, for your kids' school pick and drop as well. And imagine करिए कितनी राहत आपको जो है वो मिल जाएगी. The other reason also, which I would touch base upon, is the bus fees. You know, sometimes sometimes there are a lot. और देखिए आप ही की घर की गाड़ी है, उसी में जा रहे हैं, उसी में आ रहे हैं, and like Mr. Ravi said as well कि वो जो 1-2 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा बैठे रहते हैं स्कूल में, वो चीजें भी नहीं होंगी. So that's why again I'm telling you, Zizou का ऐप जो है वो डाउनलोड करिए. I'll again spell it out for you. It's ZEIZZU. Now we are speaking about Zizou, but there's something interesting that I want to speak about as well, which is Wheels of Avalon, which is absolutely incredible concept, and I love it, and I would want you to share it with all the listeners as well for the first time.
It's a vertical. So Zizou is chauffeur driven for providing chauffeurs. Wheels of Avalon is a limousine company. We have gone one step ahead and just put in Teslas. We've got 30 Teslas under registration with RTA and one big Citroen van. We are catering, so now not only for chauffeur service, we are also giving you chauffeur service with a car if you want.
Wow.
So that is what the whole idea was, and to grow both the verticals together, hand in hand, and it will go hand in hand because the industry is such.
Absolutely, absolutely. And one more question that I would want to ask you is, people who are tuned in right now, you know, they have heard our entire story, amazing stories coming up as well. But what I would want you to do is also speak about the fact that how a driver and a chauffeur or a car, you know, helps people a lot. They don't really realize it till the time you use this service. You know, I've been doing it, like we were having a chat. Whenever I go to Abu Dhabi, I always have a driver and a car, and all this is now possible with Zizou and the vertical, of course, Wheels of Avalon. So kudos to you guys. But you speaking and telling the listeners would have a major impact. That is what I feel.
Next time you go to Abu Dhabi, you make sure you use Wheels of Avalon on my Tesla and go comfortably.
Absolutely. Anything else that you would want to add?
So, you know, if we have a little time, then
Absolutely.
I can discuss this. Like we said, we talked about school drop and pick. You know, you are so busy with your work, you need to get your car serviced.
Yeah.
We will pick your car from your house, go to the garage, go to the agency, wherever you need it, service,
Wow.
get it serviced, bring it back.
Wow.
You need your car to get registered at RTA. After 1 year, you're passing. We will do all that. All that is part of our portfolio. So people don't realize that you don't have 2 hours time to spare to go to
Bilkul.
RTA.
Yeah.
And then RTA might say that, you know, there's a problem in your wheel hub, there's a problem in your balancing and stuff like that. You need to go out again and get it done.
True.
We have somebody who's going to do everything, door to door. Pick up your car, get it passed, whatever work needs to be done, call you, tell you, Abhi, this is what needs to be done, this is what needs to be changed. You give the go ahead, we go get it done, whichever garage you tell us to go to, whatever, and then go get it passed again, get it registered and come to you.
Wow, that is amazing. And once again, ZEIZZU, Zizou, your ride, your way. When they say it, it is absolutely on point because that is what happens with them. So download the app. और Zizou की ओर से बहुत सारे लोगों ने जो 500 dirhams का क्रेडिट जीता हुआ है, उनको तो अब मजा आने ही आने वाला है, because obviously they're going to use that service. But जिन्होंने नहीं भी जीता है, तो आगे आपको वो भी हम जितवाएंगे. But you know what, download the app. It is absolutely amazing. रवि साहब, once again शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत कि आप जो हैं रेडियो पे आए, मजेदार बातचीत हुई. मैं अगेन आपसे ये पूछूंगा क्योंकि ये आपका शो है, आप कुछ भी ऐड करना चाह रहे हो आप बिल्कुल करो, because it's yours.
आपने जो अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया हमें, ये it really means a lot to us because you know, like you said, you're letting the people know what Zizou is today, and that makes all the difference for us. Thank you, sir.
You know what, and I will add something, क्योंकि अभिजीत के साथ जीती जीत, absolutely no हार. तो Zizou का ऐप जैसे ही आप डाउनलोड करते हो, फर्स्ट टाइम यूजर्स को 50% ऑफ जो है वो मिलने वाला है. तो इससे बड़ी चीज जो है वो नहीं होगी. You'll get a 50% off if you download the app right now and use them on your first try. हाल फिलहाल गाड़ियों की अगर मैं बात करूं तो चलिए शॉपिंग वाउचर्स आपको जीतने का मौका देने वाला हूं. एक गाड़ी की ब्रांड का लोगो डिस्क्राइब करूंगा, आपको मुझे बताना है कि उस गाड़ी का ब्रांड क्या है. ठीक है, ब्रांड का नाम, अपना नाम 6889 पे आपको लिख के भेजना है जल्दी से. तो ये गाड़ी का जो लोगो है, 2 विंग्स बने हुए हैं और बीच में लिखा हुआ है बी. कौन सी है ये गाड़ी का ब्रांड? गाड़ी का ब्रांड, अपना नाम 6889 पे. और साथ ही साथ दूसरे शॉपिंग वाउचर्स जीतने के लिए कॉल लगाइए ऑन 600551626. आज है थर्सडे होता है सर्वे थर्सडे, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज only 17% cars have this. या गाड़ी के जो ओनर्स हैं सिर्फ 17% लोग ये चीज अपनी गाड़ी में रखते हैं. क्या रखते हैं? कॉल करिए, जवाब दीजिए अपना. You give me the right answer. You walk away with a shopping voucher right here, right now. So सिर्फ 17% लोग अपनी गाड़ी में ये चीज रखते हैं. ऐसी क्या चीज हो सकती है? थोड़ा सा सोचिए, कॉल लगाइए, जवाब दीजिए. जैसे कि मैं कह रहा था कि सही जवाब दे दिया, शॉपिंग वाउचर हो जाएगा आपका. 600-551-626 इज द नंबर. गेट इन टच विद मी. और रही बात वो गाड़ी के ब्रांड की, तो वो गाड़ी का ब्रांड और अपना नाम जो है 6889 पे आपको लिख के भेजना है. गाने रिक्वेस्ट हुए हैं वो प्ले कर देते हैं. Then I'm gonna pick your call up. You're with ABHIJWT, keeping you company till 9. Preeti writes to me, Abhi, how about Softly by Karan Aujla? Gonna play it and then pick your call up. Enjoy this.
ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ ਆ ਲੋਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦੇ ਦੇ ਦੂੰਗੀ